Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel with me Gerard here. In previous video I already explained to you about basic information of FlutterFlow. In this video I will show you how to make login form without database. No code, no logic, just click. This is the example of the application. For example, I will type admin and then password is example like this and then login. You did it, log out. Or if you wrong, login, you cannot change to next page or second page. Now open your FlutterFlow account and then click this button, create new. Type your project name. For example, I choose simple login and then create a blank. Wait for a second and then scroll down. Turn off this setup Firebase and then start building. Now you need two text field. Search widgets, text field, you need two. Now you set padding right here, 10 px, 10 pixel, 15. And then go to the next text field at 25 pixel for bottom padding, and then you need a button. Change your button text here to login and then go to first text field, change the name to username and then scroll down and search for label text right here and change it to username. And then go to next text field, then change the name to password. And then change the label text right here to password. And then scroll down and search for password field and the additional properties and check it, change to true. Now we're done with this page. We need second page. Add new page right here and then create blank. Type your page name, second, and then create page. This is the second page. Change the title. I change it to yay. And then I need a button and then place to canvas. Place it to center. Change the text button to log out. Add some padding right here. For example, 25 pixel. And then that's it for this page. Then click on the logout button Then add an action right here, add action. Scroll down, navigate to home page, and then move to first page or home page. Now we will set this button when username and password is something that we want and the condition is true, it will go to second page. Now click your login button here and then go to action, add add conditional action. Click it and then this the page that you will see. Click on this condition and then single condition. For the first value, click plus and then click search for widget state username set to equals to like this, and then second value, for example, I will type admin and then click add condition right here, click the pencil and then click condition, single condition, first value set to widget state password and equals to password. For example, is example. Confirm, then confirm. So if the condition is true, the flow will go to right here and then click this plus button and add action. Click navigate to second page. And then if false, you can add an action with your creativity. For now, we will close this window. Close. Now we will test this application. Go to this lightning button and then click it. Wait for some minutes. Okay, now this application is already running in my browser. Now we will type random word and then for the password it's random word 2. Now click login and the application will not go to anywhere. Now you can input the value that you are set in the program admin and then the password is example. You can look at my password is example and my username is admin and then login. Yay. Okay, we are in the second page and you can log out, so you will go back to the first login page and you cannot go back to the second page if your username and password is empty or not equal to the variable that we already set in the program. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you need a tutorial, you can comment in this video in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye bye.